Hello there everyone, and we thank you for joining us for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News. Today is Wednesday, February 6th, 2013, and we have a lot to talk about today because we are expecting a major winter storm to roll on through Connecticut on Friday. First of all, WFSB Channel 3 has named this winter storm Winter Storm Charlotte. For those of you who don't know, WFSB Channel 3 names winter storms that meet a certain criteria, and this is the third winter storm of the 2012-2013 winter season to meet the criteria to be a named storm. And so we will be dealing with Winter Storm Charlotte on Friday. Now let's talk a little bit more about that right now. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch for all counties in Connecticut in advance of a winter storm expected to impact the state starting late Thursday night. According to Channel 3 early warning weather meteorologist Scott Haney, several computer guidance models are forecasting a major snowstorm starting late Thursday night or early Friday morning through Friday night or Saturday morning. According to the National Weather Service, heavy snow is expected and at least 6 inches is expected to fall, and that's a conservative number. A foot or more snow may fall in some locations, according to the National Weather Service. Haney said some forecasters in New England are already saying blizzard conditions could be possible. However, National Weather Service officials said gusty winds could result in considerable blowing and drifting of snow later Friday into Saturday. In addition, National Weather Service officials said travel may become nearly impossible by Friday night. There are several events that have to come together for this to be a major storm. The main component would be the phasing of the northern branch of the jet stream with the southern branch. This phasing, Haney said, would create a much more energetic storm with more moisture. There is no doubt Connecticut will get snow Friday and Friday night, but to what extreme is still in question. The American Red Cross recommended several tips in preparing for the storm, which included prepare an emergency preparedness kit with winter clothing, extra blankets, and sand or non-clumping kitty litter for walkways. Listen to storm warnings, winterize home by installing storm windows and having heating equipment maintained, have a full tank of gas in all your cars, and make sure your cell phone is fully charged. Last two are very important. Have a full tank of gas in all your cars and keep your cell phone fully charged. Because we're going to be dealing with some gusty winds with this storm, the possibility of some scattered power outages is there. So in the event that that happens to you, make sure you have full tanks of gas in all of your cars and make sure your cell phone is fully charged. And we're going to talk a little bit more about Winter Storm Charlotte in the WFSB Channel 3 early warning forecast. But first, I just want to share an article that really grabbed my attention on the Huffington Post. Girl's name is Ashley Monroe. She's a 16-year-old from Massachusetts, and this is what she did at her school. This is a picture of something I did at my school last year. There's a picture here of some of the lockers at her school with sticky notes on them. I wrote out 1,986 sticky notes. Each said, "You're beautiful," and I stuck one to every locker in my entire school. It was almost unbearable to listen to people put themselves down every day. They would say things like, "I'm ugly," or "No one likes me." To me, that wasn't the truth. For at least one day, I wanted everyone to know that someone thought they were beautiful. It took me over 6 hours to write all of the notes and an hour to stick them with the help of one other friend. It wasn't my original plan to tell people that I had done it, but word got out after I'd been called to the dean's office. They found me through the school's video surveillance system. After being sat down in the office and explaining everything that had happened, there was talk of a possible 3-day suspension from school. When I went back to my classroom, my teacher asked me what they said, and I told her. This is how the rest of the students found out. Throughout the entire day, word of the possible suspension circulated, and a group of students came together and formed a petition. They passed the petition around school. In the end, it had over 600 signatures from both students and faculty. It amazed me that people would do that for me. For one day, I truly felt beautiful. And for one day, I managed to make every other kid in my school feel beautiful as well. A few days later, after the incident was not as new, a complete stranger approached me. What she said to me was shocking. That day, I was planning on killing myself. I had given up completely on society, but because of you, I didn't. You gave me hope. Thank you. What's more amazing than that is the fact that today she has become one of my best friends. That's just an article that really absolutely grabbed my attention. It's just amazing what that girl did. And the fact that really the school is going to punish her for doing something so awesome is just ridiculous. But it's an amazing thing that she did, and it's absolutely wonderful. Okay, And now your WFSB Channel 3 early warning 7-day forecast. So first of all, a winter storm watch is in effect for all 8 counties in Connecticut for this winter storm, for Winter Storm Charlotte on Friday. And we will keep you posted as that will likely be updated to a winter storm warning as we get closer to Friday, and other weather alerts may be put into effect as well. But for right now, winter storm watch in effect statewide. Okay, so in your forecast for tomorrow, Thursday, February 7th, mostly sunny in the morning, then increasing cloudiness during the afternoon. High 27 degrees inland, 30 degrees at the shore. Then on Friday, snow starting early in the morning. Snow could mix with sleet and rain during the afternoon, especially in southeastern Connecticut. Then it changed back to all snow Friday evening. There is the potential for blizzard conditions with heavy snow and wind gusts to over 50 miles an hour, causing considerable blowing and drifting. High of 32 degrees inland, 35 at the shore on Friday. Saturday, snow ending by midday, then mostly sunny, windy and cold. Total accumulations ranging between 12 and 24 inches seem likely, with locally higher amounts possible. High 30 degrees inland, 32 at the shore. Then on Sunday, mostly sunny and cold with much lighter winds. High 32 degrees inland, 34 at the shore. Monday, mostly cloudy with rain showers. High 40 degrees inland and 40 at the shore. Tuesday, partly sunny and breezy. High 42 degrees inland, 45 at the shore. And next Wednesday, February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day, increasing cloudiness. High 42 degrees inland, 44 at the shore. So there you have it. There's your forecast for this storm. Total accumulations ranging between 12 and 24 inches of snow with locally higher amounts possible. So this is going to be a major winter storm. And that's really all the information on this storm at this moment. We will definitely be doing a few update videos tomorrow, Thursday afternoon, as we get more precise information about this storm. And but for now, that'll be all. And we'll keep you posted with any further updates tomorrow. So that'll do it for the Matt's Weather Weekly Weather News today. We will not be having any guest viewer segment tomorrow. If you're interested in becoming involved in the guest viewer segment, you can email me at mattsweather1 at AOL.com, or any other way that you know to get in touch with me to get involved with that. All right, well, that'll do it. We'll see you tomorrow with some update videos on Winter Storm Charlotte. We'll see you then.